Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. Guys, I know ukuthi Mnakwethu we are watching Msangano. Ne, I know. Umbhedo vele Msangano. I know that. But still, like, why are those women laughing at other women? Like the way that MaMhlongo noMaShozi were so happy ukuthi MaShozi is looking so angry and so frustrated. Why are they laughing? Like, why are they so happy to see her looking angry and miserable? Also, did you see ukuthi next week on Itrailer next week we got to see that one, the new one with amazinya acwebezelayo wonke, that one uMangcobo, she will be laughing at uMamchunu when uMamchunu is almost in tears. What is funny when you see a woman crying or a woman angry? Or what is funny lapho ngoba now nje you are in that situation with her? Why are they, angazi guys, I know ukuthi vele umbhedo lo sibukayo, but why are they so happy bona? Okay, fine. Let's just talk about Dulas's WhatsApp group, ne? Because I won't talk about the reunion all in one video. I just want to talk about Dulas's WhatsApp group. Meaning, I say WhatsApp group because it's not even its tempo, you guys. Because ubano lojoli, ubano shadiwe, lapano ubano no moves. None of them, you know. So now Udulas ne has MaShozi, and I have to say, you guys, as much as Udulas say Msangano, but one thing about MaShozi, once MaShozi came, MaShozi stayed. MaShozi has never done the thing of in and out. I'm leaving Udulasi, I'm coming back. I'm leaving Udulasi, I'm coming back. And there's something that's likable about MaShozi, and I think, you guys, this season, more than anything, the thing that made me like MaShozi was the fact that when she heard ukuthi MaMhlongo had had a miscarriage, she really looked worried about MaMhlongo. She was even upset MaShozi ukuthi uDulasi, while MaMhlongo was telling him about the miscarriage, uDulasi went on to tell MaMhlongo about MaShozi. MaShozi was upset about it. We've had moments this season where MaShozi has been fighting for fairness when it comes to MaMhlongo. You know, even telling her was, I think you need to look at the possibilities yokuthi the other girlfriend bakadulasi maybe basebenzisa imithi. Maybe you need to check that. Okay, fine. Now, at the beginning of Mnakwethu, the original Mnakwethu, uDulas came with uMadlamini. Madlamini is the late wife, the one who used to wear glasses, that one. Now, uMadlamini was supposed to be the wife obesebulotsholiwe at the time. They already had kids with uDulas, and uDulas wanted to introduce MaMhlongo, you know, and asked uMadlamini if she can allow him to take MaMhlongo. That's how MaMhlongo was introduced to us. Then when they started doing Happily Ever After, that's when we found out there's another one, which was MaShozi, who also already had a child. Okay. Now remember, after the original season of Mnakwethu, uMaMhlongo noMadlamini kind of became friendly with each other. We can't really say they are friends, especially guys, people that are married to the same man and or dating the same man. You can't really say people are friends, but they were friendly with each other. But at some point, because remember, they were even, I remember the meeting that they had where they went to Dulas's house and they wanted to find out what was happening with MaShozi. uMaMhlongo noMadlamini were on the same side against MaShozi. But at some point, uMaMhlongo turned on uMadlamini. Madlamini is the late wife. Turned on uMadlamini and took the side of MaShozi. There is a video where MaMhlongo gets into a fight with uMadlamini. I remember not understanding that. It's how, since when is MaMhlongo friends with MaShozi and not friends with MaDlamini. Now MaDlamini was all on her own, and MaMhlongo now was coming together with MaShozi attacking MaDlamini. You know. Now MaDlamini left, ne? And they became friendly with each other, MaMhlongo no MaShozi. Now with MaShozi coming, MaShozi found MaMhlongo no MaShozi already friendly with each other. And I thought they were kind of on the same side, you know, especially with MaShozi trying to support MaMhlongo with the whole miscarriage situation, you know. I think she has tried to be, you know, just kind to MaMhlongo. Now, come the reunion, MaMhlongo now is with MaShozi. They are sitting on the other side laughing at MaShozi. I don't understand it. I feel like Samantha was right in saying that MaMhlongo imenemen. I think imenemen MaMhlongo. Because MaMhlongo, this season, she told us she's back with Dulas. Dulas has paid the lobola. She was even pregnant at some point, lost the baby. They were moving forward with Dulas. Come the reunion, now she's telling us they've broken up with Dulas. Since when now? I think the only reason she told us that is because she wanted it to make sense why her and MaShozi were attacking MaShozi. Now, let's get into now them claiming that Udulas is so scared of MaShozi because MaShozi uyamshaya Udulas. So MaShozi hits Udulas. Okay. Initially, you guys, I had the same reaction like I would have in a GBV situation. I'm like, what? Is this a possibility? You know? So, number one, you guys, hey guys, I don't want to say what's any labo mama bonke njabala phayana ngathi abahlani phanga. Number one, you guys, someone said ukuthi MaShozi uyamshaya Dulas. Every single woman except men. All of the women laughed. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? They laughed. Okay, fine. I said again, maybe it was a nervous laugh for all of them. Fine. But they are trying to say, MaShozi is trying to say that Udulas is being aided by MaShozi. Now, if you go back, you guys, this is the reason it's hard for me to believe that this is true. If evidence comes up and somebody shares something that is evidence that MaShozi, I will believe it. But I'm finding it hard right now. Remember, you guys, when MaMhlongo came to visit Udulas and they were at some rendezvous and they pet amanzi and was throwing amanzi at Udulasi. And MaShozi has always been the one that maintains ukuthi indoda ayishawa akukhulunywa kanjalo nendoda. Uyilo muntu wasemakhaya onaleyo belief ukuthi indoda ayishawa ayiphendulo kanjalo indoda. She's the one that is always correcting MaMhlongo when MaMhlongo is wanting to attack Udulas. MaShozi is that person that always does that. MaMhlongo is the one that we have seen physically attack Udulas. MaMhlongo is that person. Now, to be at the reunion and MaMhlongo has now come together with MaShozi to say MaShozi is the one that is putting her hands on Dulas, and they want us to believe that without providing us with some receipts. No, honey, we need receipts. I don't know, you guys. I think when Samantha also stood up and made a comment to say, Ayikho lento leni, I think it's because before the show, all of them are discussing things. She must have heard that this is something that Samantha and MaShozi came together to come out and say about MaShozi. Now, here's the thing. MaShozi, even when she's asked, how do you know? She doesn't say what Udulasi said it. She says Udulasi, on WhatsApp Udulasi said ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle phakathi kwakhe noMaShozi. But that doesn't mean ukuthi uMaShozi ushaya Udulasi. I feel like if you're going to claim something like that, then it must be clear. Like uDulas must have said, MaShozi uyangishaya, you know. Then you have to say it, or send a picture of him self-bruised, or a video of MaShozi emshaya, for you to go on national TV and claim that about another woman. You have to have that at least. She even says, no, he's never really said it, but because of the way that he is when he is around MaShozi, then I feel like we are msaba. But listen carefully. If you can go to catch up and listen carefully to what uMashezi is saying, she does not even what yes umtshelile ku WhatsApp ukuthi izinto azikho right phakathi azikho right endlini, meaning phakathi kwakhe noMashozi, but akashongo ukuthi uyamshaya. They are making an assumption ukuthi just because uDulas uyamsaba uMashozi, that means that uMashozi ushaya uDulas. But how do you claim something like that about somebody if you don't have evidence? We need her evidence. You know, so I feel like MaShozi and MaMhlongo came together to make this accusation on TV. But what is shocking for me is that MaMhlongo is with MaShozi against MaShozi. Now, since when now? Now she's claiming she's broken up with uDulas. Even uDulas is like, it's the first time I hear of it. I don't believe it, you guys. I don't want to lie. I don't believe in MaShozi. I don't believe it. But if there is hard evidence that they do provide, then I will have no choice but to believe it. But right now I don't. I feel like they just wanted something to frustrate MaShozi with. Also, MaShozi has always looked like somebody that just wants to be on TV. I don't think that girl was even serious about being in a relationship with Dulas. She just wanted to be on TV. Now she's there laughing at things that are not even funny. Because if you want to be part of Istembo, now what is so funny about the fact that MaShozi is so frustrated by uDulas? Angazi, guys, MaMhlongo no longer, they frustrated me in this, but more so MaMhlongo, because Umasha is very emotional. I don't really care about her. But MaMhlongo, I feel like, how does MaShozi make such an effort to be your friend and to be fair to you, and whether you do that to her? Fine, okay. I will wait for the evidence, you guys. If they ever post it or anything like that, then I'll wait for the evidence to see what MaMhlongo. But I was like, not that MaShozi did that. But MaMhlongo, guys. MaMhlongo. Why is my picture going down and down and down? My camera is tired. My camera is tired. It's sleeper. So, yeah, you guys. Anyways, I feel like now with this show, we're getting more and more of a cast that just looks like they want to be part of the show. They care more about the show than they care about the people that they are in relationships with. And it makes the show less interesting, you know. And I think that the people that are really invested, I think that MaMhlongo, Samantha are really were really invested in their relationship with Kondanisa. You can see how emotional like the breakup is, the things that they have to deal with now with the breakup, you can see. But Laba Basha, the new ones that are being added, I think they just want to be part of the show. You can see they're just there having a time of their life and laughing and whatever. Because uMangcobo, why would she laugh at uMamchunu if she still is hoping to be introduced to uMamchunu and move on, you know, with the relationship with Kondanisa? You understand what I'm saying? I don't know, guys. This episode frustrated me. It really, really did. But that's all I wanted to talk about when it comes to Kondanisa and his WhatsApp group. MaMhlongo ixoki. And I do agree with uDulas. And there is the first, me agreeing with Dulas. uMashezi uhlanya vele. Uhlanya vele. I feel like uhlanya vele. And MaMhlongo is going to play her to a point where she is out of the relationship, and MaMhlongo will be back with Dulas. Because that's what she does all the time. She tells us she's done now with Dulas. Come next season, they're back together. Even Linda Spear asked her, MaMhlongo, so if you say you're out, then why are you here? Is it because of the show? Is it what? Is it, because nobody understands. You always say you're out of the relationship, but you're still here. What's happening? Anyway, you guys, listen, I'll talk about Sundays, but I need energy to talk about Sundays and his lies. Hi, that one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about that MaMhlongo, MaShozi situation. Also, I want to hear what you guys think about that accusation, because I don't believe it. But do you believe it? If you believe it, give me the reasons why do you believe it, because maybe I am missing something. And it will be horrible if it's true. That's for sure. It will be horrible if it's true. It will be horrible. Like Linda Spear was saying, GPV is a serious thing. So it will be horrible if it's true. But I just don't believe it because of the way that it came out. And I rewinded because I kept wanting to hear MaShozi say specifically what Dulazi said, not ukuthi isani bayaxabana and what. I wanted to hear MaShozi say ukuthi uDulazi wangitshela wathi ulona uyamshaya, yabona. And it didn't come out like that. And I was like, but you can't be careless like that with an accusation like that. You understand what I mean? But see, guys, maybe next episode, like the second part of the reunion, we'll get to see more. But here I was like, MaMhlongo, ixoki mama. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like the video. By the way, those who don't have catch up, I saw somebody posted the reunion here on YouTube. Go search for it and then come back. Let's have a conversation. Thank you so much, Mthanda.